Welcome to a world where tranquility meets rustic charm, where the allure of countryside living beckons you to embrace the simplicity of life. As you ponder your next move, allow me to pose a question. Are you ready to trade the chaos of city life for the serenity of nature's embrace? Nestled at the very end of one of Bulgaria's most captivating villages lies a gem waiting to be discovered. Spanning 1,000 square meters, this newly built solid reinforced concrete construction exudes promise and potential. Imagine a spacious basement, ripe for transformation into a cozy tavern, beckoning evenings filled with laughter and warmth. Ascend to the first floor, where 2 rooms and a bathroom await your personal touch, merely awaiting the final flourish of tiles. Venture further, and you'll find an attic ripe for conversion into a tranquil bedroom retreat, offering respite under the eaves. Beyond the walls of your future abode lies a landscape of unparalleled beauty, offering vistas that soothe the soul and awaken the senses. Immerse yourself in the charms of village life, with essential amenities such as a bar, grocery store, post office, and medical office just a stone's throw away. But it's the natural splendor that truly captivates. Picture perfect forests, meandering rivers, and verdant meadows invite exploration, promising endless opportunities for leisurely strolls, fishing excursions, or horseback adventures. As you consider this enticing prospect, I invite you to share your thoughts with us. Where do you hail from, and what whispers does Bulgaria hold in your imagination? Let your voice be heard in the comments below. Seize the moment, for opportunities such as this are rare. Whether you dream of cultivating a small farm, establishing a bed and breakfast, or delving into the world of honey beekeeping, the possibilities are as boundless as the horizon. Don't delay, reach out to us today to embark on your journey to a simpler, more fulfilling way of life. Leave a comment, like our video, and subscribe to our channel for updates on future properties. We are BulgarianPropertyFinder.com, and we look forward to welcoming you home.